Welcome to Spark Fishing, guys. Today I want to show you how Intex Excursion Pro Kayak handles in a windy condition, in salt water too. So the backstory is my wife and I took this kayak out on a back bay. It was the salt water, and then the day started out very calm, and then as time passed by, wind picked up, and then at the end of the day, wind got really strong. So this shows you, our paddling ability, back bay, between 6 to maybe like 12 feet deep. There's some current and there's some wind. You see how we paddle.
It doesn't move as easy as Schuylkill, but it's doable. Okay, let's now move to the left more here. Alright, it looks good. Oh, there are these like... probably like stuck on weed or something, right? Stuck good? Okay. Nah, it's deep here. Okay, we might just have to
break it?
Yeah. You can just break it. If we start catching bluefish, we'll put it on, but
Yeah, so the conclusion is that I think this handles very well with some current, little current and little wind. You can get by just fine. But when there is strong wind, I'm not exactly sure. I think it was in the somewhere of a strong wind category. When there's a strong wind, inflatable kayak becomes very difficult to paddle. Only person that was okay on the water that day was the one that, that people has the foot pedal. Yeah, those people are the only people who were fine. But other than that, there were other kayakers, just regular kayak, not the inflatable ones, but they also struggled too. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful to choose, which kayak you should buy, inflatable or a regular kayak. So I'll be posting a different video of us going out on a flooded river. So I'll see you next time.